Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the most underrated yet super useful features in Microsoft Edge, the autofill settings. Whether you want your browser to instantly fill in your personal and payment information, or you prefer a more private experience, this quick guide will help you customize everything just the way you like it. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once it's up, head to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. That's called Settings and More. Go ahead and click on it. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, on the left-hand side, click on Profiles. This section is where Edge stores all your saved information, like your personal details and payment methods. Under Profiles, click on Personal Info. Once you're there, look to the top right corner. You'll see a gear icon. Click it to access more specific options for managing your personal information. Here's where the real customization happens. You'll notice a section labeled Save and Fill Basic Info. This toggle determines whether Edge automatically fills out things like your name, address, or contact details on websites. If you want Edge to save time by remembering this info, turn the toggle on. But if privacy is more important to you, or you prefer typing in your details manually, just switch it off. Next, let's manage your payment information. Still under the Profile section, click on Payment Info or Payment Methods. Here you'll find the Save and Fill Payment Info toggle. Turning this on allows Edge to remember and automatically fill in your card details when shopping online. Super handy if you make frequent purchases. But again, if you'd rather keep that information private, just leave it off. And that's it. You've successfully managed your autofill settings in Microsoft Edge. With these simple tweaks, you can make your browsing experience faster, more convenient, or more secure, depending on what matters most to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.